Oh, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up. Oh, wow. What a day. Just look at this. Hey, after all the rain, all the wind. Oh, look at it. Oh, the birds are having a field day over there. They say, you know, it's that warm, we'll have to have a bath in this big puddle in the middle of the field. Oh, really, really beautiful. All the wildlife. Oh, I think spring's here already. I don't know whether it's being a bit presumptuous or whatever. Yeah, I think it might come a bit cooler yet. Hope everybody's, well, trying to keep away from this coronavirus. Else if you get it, hope you don't have it too bad and you survive all right, you know. But I think this is the point where nature says we've had enough of all you humans abusing the world, the earth. We'll just show you what we can do. You're not indestructible or whatever. Nice little bit of a virus can wipe you out just like that. So, might make us think. Because we need to stop abusing and using things. That's the problem. Nature's saying we've had enough of you. You're the problems with the world and the earth. We're going to sort you out. But anyway, not to worry. Another airline gone bust, Flybe gone bust now. Things are really looking up now as we're going to be coming out of Europe. I don't know. Old John Lewis has lost a lot of money as well. That'll be another one that's going bust. I think we should have stopped where we were, but never mind. The birds think it's spring and they're all getting ready for breeding and making nests, so that's all that matters. Look at this. I wouldn't like to be anybody who has to stop indoors for a fortnight with the old coronavirus when it's nice weather like this. And feed the birds in the morning. That's all we got to do. Feed them like this. Get the old mealworms. Nice cool mealworms, live mealworms. I love it. Come on. The old robin's coming. Old robin. Bit of fat ball. I've never had it so good. There you go. The old water ends. Good old water ends. Oh there. Here come the crows. Crows and jackdaws. Anyway, that's it. Bye.